Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can disable Windows automatic updates on your Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, it's very easy. I'm just gonna tell you now. Right click here and then run. When you come here, you have to type here services services.msc and press OK. When you do that, you have to, this window will open like that. You can make it bigger, and here you have to find Windows Update. When you click here, press W, it will bring all the W section here. So just look here for Windows Update. There you go. And when you right click on this properties, here it is on manual. You can click disable, apply, press OK, and close this. So now one thing is done. Again, you have to come to run and you have to search here reg edit, press OK. You have to click yes from the admin, so this will open here. You have to close this and you have to open the third one from here, local machine, and then you have to come to software. You have to come all the way down to policies, Microsoft, and you have to come down here and you have to select Windows from here, and then you have to click on Windows, right click and new key. You have to click on new key, and here you have to type, I'm just gonna rename this one, Windows Update. Select Windows Update here, and then you have to right click new key. So here you have to type AU, and then click on this, and you have to come here and right click new. You have to select this one, enter value. So here you have to type no auto update, okay, and then click there, and then when you double click, you have to give value to disable. So we're gonna enter 1 here and press OK, and when you do that, you are good to go. So that's all the steps we follow. So now on your Windows will not automatically update your system. You have to do it manually, because now we'll disable the auto updates from your PC. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you like it or if this video is helpful for you.